This week on Entertainment Recap, Teejay and Jada saga, I Love You Instagram live spills from Auntie Gracie and Uncle Bud, and Entertainment Recap exclusive, these and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Dancehall artist Teejay and Jada Kingdom song Love Experience did not have Jada Kingdom's approval at all. The two collaborated on the new Slingers Records and Top Brass music single dub Love Experience was released on Friday, July 16th. Love Experience received great traction from fans, now being trending at number 11 on YouTube. Jada, nevertheless, was displeased with the original cuts of the song, saying it was not up to par. She went on to say that the song isn't terrible, but she would have preferred it remain how she sent it over. Here's a bite of the song.
Make you wanna come back again. Every day you keep on my mind. Make me have it on my
Auntie Gracie and Uncle Bud are still in love and going strong. Didn't you see them on our Instagram live? Dancehall artist and love and hip-hop Atlanta star Spice went live to apologize to her fans about postponing her performance at the show called Cotton due to a thunderstorm in the Bronx. After having a little chat with her fans, her steamingly hot boyfriend Justin Bud popped up on the live show, and that's when it went all lovey-dovey from there. Take a look.
So now I wish I was home in that bed with you. I wish I was home. I don't know. I feel like I need to come home right now.
Last week, Friday, dancehall artist Badgal Cecile and unruly boss Popcaan received silver and platinum. Yes, platinum certifications from the British photographic industry.
There's no place to hide, so stop the fight, I'm gonna get it. All this money from me, baby, you're gonna regret it. I can understand why you can't free yourself and let it.
The 2010 Cecile collaboration with British disc jockey DJ Fresh, dubbed Gold Dust, has received a double platinum certificate after selling over 1.2 million copies in the UK.
It's been a while, me see your wine, it's been a while, smile. You're getting prettier, you're pretty from your juvenile.
On the other hand, Popcaan's 2020 collaboration with R&B singer Georgia Smith, titled Come Over, had been certified silver in the UK after selling over 200,000 copies. Well, we have an entertainment recap exclusive for you guys, and it's from Usain Bolt and Baby Cham.
We survive, tell them we survive. Been through the fire, but we come out alive. Yes, we survive, tell them we survive. But the blessings of God that keep we alive. Yeah.
Why music? I think my uncle had a sound system by the name of Studio Mix. And that's how I got the love for the music. You know what I mean? Super Cat used to perform on the sound system. John Wayne, Beanie Man, used to perform on the sound system. It's a sound system from Waterhouse. And that's why music, you know what I mean? And I got started through that same sound system also, Studio Mix.
Cause life really sucks. But now I'm in my phantom looking like $1 million.
We never go up on the road ever with Studio Mix. The sound system was always just in the yard. So even when they would go to country to play out, I would never ever be on the sound traveling around Jamaica with the sound system. But the studio is in the yard, the sound system is in the yard. Every now and then you'd see Super Cat pop up. You'd see Little John pop up, you know what I mean? What name again? Call the police for me, tell them in case of emergency. I think that was John Wayne. John Wayne used to pop up. And they would just toast, just in the yard, just vibing. And that's how I really got the love for the music, you know what I mean?
Survive at the blessings of God that keep we alive. Yeah.
No, we love music. Love music, it past just a living. It's more like a lifestyle to me. So we love music, but you always have to pivot at some point, and you always have to diversify. So as far as business-wise, you always have to find other things that you can invest in, you know what I mean? But in terms of music, I think of music as my lifestyle, my livelihood, my way of living, my way of breathing, you know what I mean? So we eat, sleep, breathe, live music. Everything else is secondary for me.
Tell us a little bit about the connection with you and Usain and how you actually started to make music. I mean, so many things could have transpired, but why like a track, like how did Lockdown come about and Clockwork Rhythm and the whole shebang?
Well, even the other day we are reason about that, you know. So me and Usain been friends for years. For years, me and both been good friends. I met Usain when he was probably 16 years old. They took him to Reggae Sumfest and he came by my tent and was just chilling in the tent. But I was a big fan of his at 16 years old, you know what I mean? So we went to Boys Champs just to watch him. And by the summer, he was in my tent to come and see me as a fan of me, you know what I mean? So we always keep a link ever since then. Ever since then, we're always cool. So when he reached out for Lockdown Rhythm, the Clockwork Rhythm, there's no way I could tell him no.
What them want we do? Stay home and just knock fist. Can't even get for drive out.
And especially, you know that he's venturing into a field that is my playground. This is where we own, you know what I mean? This is not the stadiums that he's running anymore. So I knew that he wanted to get like reputable people, surround himself with people who understand the business, people who can really help to take his production or his record label to the next level. And me personally, I didn't want to just give him anything, like just any song. So okay, it's Usain, just give him any song. You know what I mean? You want to give him something that people are going to listen it and take him serious. So okay, it's really serious. So we took like 2 weeks, and got everything right. Did the recording. NJ was on the phone every single day. I tell him every day that he remind me of Dave Kelly because of how him think, you know what I mean? And Dave is the same way. Myself, Usain, NJ, Dave, always on the phone throughout that 2 weeks, just trying to get everything right for them. And it come out perfect. So now it just have to just keep working, keep grinding, keep pushing, keep taking it to the next level. And I know him take it serious, so it's gonna go to the next level.
Life treat us any other way but unfairly. So I don't give up. No, I don't give up. We need a little fun before we
Okay, so what's next? So now we're working on Lockdown. So we're working really hard on Lockdown. It's already added to MTV, already added to BT, already added to Revolt. We're getting we're getting a lot of good feedbacks from Lockdown. So now we have the next single coming, which I won't state what the next single is entitled. I won't state who. If it's a solo, I won't state if it's a combination. I won't state if it's with Usain and the whole team, but it's fire. And you'll be getting the next single and the next project within the next, probably next month and a half. But it's fire. Can you hear me?
I know some of make the girl them hot. Pour the rum and make we all take shots. All the vibe and make we all kick back. What an experience, now go forget that.
We know you off the track. Why now the studio? Why music and how did you get started in music?
No, music is something that I always love. If you follow my career throughout my track career, you know that I'm always dancing. I'm always just listening to music and having a vibe. So for me, how I started now was the fact that lockdown, actually lockdown, so I had time on my hand and I was like, you know what, I've always wanted to do music, so why not now? And that's how I really got into it and started some work.
But is music something you want to continuously do?
Yeah man, definitely. For me, for the next 2 years, I think I'll focus a lot on music and trying to let people understand that something that I love and it's not just a joke, you know, because I think people really still don't believe that I really love music. I'm just do it for fun. But I want to make people know I'm serious and something that I'll continue doing and focusing on and pushing.
All right, so tell us a little bit about what to expect on the new Rhythm Clockwork.
For me, you know, my biggest thing that we're here with Cham also, baby Cham also. And for me, Clockwork is a lot of artists, man, so just go stream it, no matter how I tell you, you have to go stream it and hear it for yourself. There's a lot of videos out also, so that's something that you can also go check out. And NJ just dropped a new single, It's a Party, so go check that out also.
No girl can whine like you, darling. Them always wanna be like you.
What was it like working with Cham?
For me, you know, it was an honor, you know, because I grew up, I listened to Baby Cham. He's the man, so somebody who we knew the years. And me and him par before this, and now I'm actually in music, and me and him can work together. It just work, you understand? And him cool and chill. I probably link him and say, yo, music, 2 days, we get a song. So for me, I have to big him up and say respect for that, because the whole part people will link, and them don't work like that. And Baby Cham a big artist, so I just say, yo, respect for that. And just to show the love and the respect, so I believe in our order.
This week's new music comes from Stalk Ashley with Kiss and Tell, Etana with Walking Away, and Big Bad Buju Banton with Somebody. Take a look.
Do you mean me well? Do you only wanna kiss and tell? Kiss and baby, listen well. Maybe I might have to wish you well. Do you mean me well? Do you only wanna kiss and tell? Kiss and baby, listen well. Maybe I might have to wish you well. Don't change the story, you didn't run out. Knock on my phone, tell you I gotta get hung up. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. But a friend, my friend, so I be and she send. That's when I really telling stories. You don't even know my name, but you don't know me. And he told me you adore me. Never know I say you're funny. Please don't phone me. You can't come round me. No, it's all too much. Go every time you go on my clothes, yeah. Do you mean me well? Do you only wanna kiss and tell? Kiss and baby, listen well. Maybe I might have to wish you well. Do you mean me well? Do you only wanna kiss and tell? Kiss and baby, listen well. Maybe I might have to wish you well.
You are not so great after all. Distributing yourself to every woman that's around. You're a flake as I thought. Because your promises aren't kept and your words have no weight. There's a gate, pack your bags, yeah. And don't you try to tell me that I'll never find another love as great as we have. Cause it is much too late for that now. And oh, it's just a mess. The only color that I'm seeing you express is to slip under another woman's dress. And I thought you would be better than the rest. But to Badgal Kingdom isn't something you possess. Scattering the seeds and in the whole world that you're blessed. But your ego is the biggest thing I knew that you possess. And the king is not the one that you reflect. So here is my request. Don't let the door hit you when you're walking away. Don't let the door hit you when you're walking away. Don't let the door hit you when you're leaving today.
Somebody, y'all them tender, hot and ready, ready to a fall. Look how long them have your cutie body lock up in a ball. Already ready for broke loose, so make the party start. Alright, somebody, y'all them tender, hot and ready to a fall. Look how long them have your cutie body lock up in a ball. Already ready for broke loose, so make the party start. Alright, so we got like some in a leggings. I've been in the party, we are somewhere in the bar. Long time, me to see a bunch of pretty girl I want. If I come and you want wait from that, know you're gonna put up your granny frock, them pop out your shorts. Fix up your face, girl, pop off your mask. How many girl you ready to go out and stuff? Outside, so it's shining dance, that's some stuff. Somebody, y'all them tender, hot and ready to a fall. Look how long them have your cutie body lock up in a ball. Already ready for broke loose, so make the party start. Alright, somebody.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to this individual. Happy birthday to you. Yes, a big bad birthday goes out to the unruly boss, Popcaan. Guess what? Continue doing great work and here what? Always and forever. Big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl Alicia, and remember to follow us on all socials at pbcjamaica. Guess what? Always me never forget for big up Ear Candy Collection for my earrings, and follow them on their social media platforms at the Ear Candy Collection. Here what? Thanks for tuning in, and always and forever big up you.